everybody, I am Prerna Lad and today I am going to be telling you about temperature. So as you all know that if you have a fever, then your mom or your dad check your temperature with a thermometer. So this is a thermometer and it's used in modern time, which is like right now. But in olden times, there used to be like a glass thermometer which could break really easily. So in that glass thermometer, there was a special liquid called mercury. So if your temperature was really high, then the mercury liquid would go up, and if it was low, then the mercury liquid would go down. So we don't use that now. We use a battery operated thermometer. So this is like better than the mercury one. So now I'm going to tell you that what should be the normal temperature of your body. So in Fahrenheit, normal temperature should be 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit, and in Celsius it should be 37 degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to be telling you some important facts. So the boiling point of water is 100 degrees or 212 degrees Fahrenheit. And freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. So this basically means that Celsius and Fahrenheit do not have the same values. So if you are doing the boiling point of Celsius, then it will be 100. But if you're doing the boiling point of Fahrenheit, then it will be 212. So Fahrenheit is always greater than Celsius. Keep that in mind. Then freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degrees Fahrenheit. As you can see, this is more than this, and this is in Celsius and this is in Fahrenheit. Now I'm going to be telling you the difference between the freezing point and boiling point in Celsius. So 100 degrees Celsius minus 0 degrees Celsius. So 100, we are doing it in Celsius. So 100 minus 0 is equal to 100. In Fahrenheit is equals to 212 minus 32 is equal to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, that's the medium temperature type, this part. So now I'm going to be telling you the formula on how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit into Celsius. So the formula is basically like degrees Celsius, so you'll get the number. So degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 in the brackets plus 32 is your answer. Then Fahrenheit to Celsius is degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9 is equals to degrees Celsius. So now I'm going to be telling you how to solve these on paper. So yeah, let's start with the first term, Fahrenheit to Celsius. So the first one is 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so this is Fahrenheit to Celsius. So just take a good look at the formula once more. So it's degrees Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9 is equals to your answer. So it's 77 degrees Fahrenheit. So first I'm going to do 77 minus 32. So the answer is 45. Now I'm going to multiply 45 by 5 by 9. 45. So just see how to multiply fractions and a whole number. So you're going to cut the 9 and cut the 45 because 45 comes in the table of 9. So I'm going to write 1 here because 9 5s are 45. So 1 because it comes in the table of 9. Then you just leave this, don't even look at it. Then 5 5s are 25 is equals to 25. So yeah, so what we just did was we just minused it. Okay, then we got 45. Then we multiplied it by 5 by 9, and your answer is 25. So it's 25 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to do the second sum, which is Fahrenheit into Celsius. So the second one is 86 degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. So first, 86 minus 32 is equals to 5. So 54. I'm just going to do this a bit more fast. So 54 into 5 by 9. Cut the 9, right? 1, 6 into 5, 30 is equals to your answer. Now, we're going to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit. So, it's over here. As you can see, degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32 is equals to your answer. So, let's see it. Okay. Now, first question is 80 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. Let's just write it down. Okay. So the formula is degrees Celsius into 9 by 5 plus 32. So first we have to multiply 80 by 9 by 5. So it's basically actually the same, but I'm doing it by another way. No, I'm not actually doing it by another way. So I'll just tell you two ways in how to multiply them. This is 16. 16 into 9 is equals to 54. Then 9 ones are 9, so 144. Or else what you can do is 80 into 9 and divide the product by 5. Same over here. I forgot to tell it in this part. So now you got 144. Now add your sum by 32. So 4 plus 2, 6, 7, 1. So the answer is 176 degrees Fahrenheit. So just remember always, in Fahrenheit, the answer should be less than the question, and in degrees Fahrenheit, and if you have to convert to Fahrenheit, then the answer should be more than the question, which is in Celsius. Okay, now we're going to do one last sum, so I'm just going to do it a bit quick. The next one is 95 degrees Celsius. Okay. So let's solve it. Yeah. Okay. So 95 into 9 by 5. So I'm just gonna cut it 1. So 1, then 45. So wait. Okay. 1, so 45. Yeah, I did it correct. 19 into 9. So 81, and then 9 ones are 9, then 9 plus 8 is equal to 17. So 171 plus 32 is equals to 310. Okay. So the answer is 203 degrees Fahrenheit, sorry. So yeah, that's how to convert Celsius into Fahrenheit, and that's all the points about temperature. So I hope you liked this video on how to convert Fahrenheit into Celsius and some information on temperature. Bye! Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.